What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. So of course today is Monday, and that means, as always, just like every Monday, I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation for this week. So the subject of today's Monday motivation is patience. The art of patience, taking a deep breath, relaxing, sitting back, and just being patient. Of course, pushing for your goals, your dreams, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to succeed in, is not always easy, and sometimes it's difficult just to sometimes take a step back and be a little bit patient when it comes to seeing where you're at with what you want to achieve. So we'll dive into all of that in a second, but as always, the good stuff needs to come first. Liking this video if you've not liked already. Let's see if we can hit 30 likes on today's video. I know the algorithm has been messing up recently, so it's a bit confusing. I don't know what's going on, but like I said, 30 likes today. Also, please make sure to comment on the video. As always, I enjoy interacting with you guys, love hearing what you guys have to say, love to read you guys' input, all the usual stuff. Also, please make sure to share these videos with your friends, get them out to more people, help more people learn about patience, getting up ready for the week, that kind of thing. And lastly, please make sure to hit that red button below to subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. If you've not been around here before, this is the Money Management. I upload a video each and every day. So yeah, just subscribe if you want to see more content like this. But now for the topic of today's video, patience. Let's talk about patience. So why do I want to talk about patience today? Well, as you guys know, patience is a virtue. And I know you guys have heard this 100 times before, but it really is true. Pushing for our goals, striving for better, trying to achieve greatness, trying to become better, we often become very reactive to things, and that's why I'm saying today, patience is very important. Now, I'm not saying it just for you guys, I'm also saying it for myself. There are times when patience actually helps us achieve our goals. So the reason I'm saying patience today is because, like I said, I want to help you guys achieve your goals, and sometimes you need to realize that you just need a little bit of patience. You see, when you're pushing for something, you really want to achieve something, the fact that you're pushing so hard does not directly mean it's going to, arrive quicker. It doesn't mean you're going to get to your target sooner. Sometimes you just need a more positive outlook on things. Be patient. It's also that fact of showing a little bit of gratitude, being a little bit more patient, taking a step back, thinking, you know what, I've done well to get here. I'm not done yet, but I'll still, just wait for the results to come. They will come eventually. I'd much rather you sit back and be a little bit more patient than you press for something so hard and you end up making bad decisions. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't make any decisions, but sometimes, like I said, just be a little bit more patient. Take a deep breath, relax, take your time and realize, you know what? It will come in good time. You don't want to take a bad turn. You don't want to make the wrong move. You don't want to take those kind of steps. Because you know what those steps do? What they turn into is stress, regret, anger, disappointment. And that's not what we want when we want to achieve our goals. Those are not the kind of things you look for. Those are not the kind of things you strive for. So again, sometimes just take a step back, take a deep breath, and be a bit more patient. And now, today I'm not here to pretend that patience is easy. It is not easy. There are so many days when you just want to make a move, force a move. Or some days you just behave rash, you just make instant decisions quickly on the spot. There are even some days when you just think, you know what, I'm gonna give up. I'm so sick and tired of this. Don't do any of those things. I'm here today to tell you guys, this week, exercise some patience. But how do you exercise patience? Well, here's one way that I like to exercise patience. Reading good quotes, taking a break, or even sometimes just literally, saying those good quotes and saying those motivational lines out to myself. I'm telling you guys, it really does work. That's why I'm giving you guys these tips so you guys can try and help it work for yourself. You see, when you want to exercise patience, you need to make sure that you have a positive headspace. So positive headspace for me comes from, like I said, reading motivational quotes, reading nice things, even, to be honest, getting out and about, looking at nature, doing things like going to the gym, exercising. All these things help me exercise patience because they actually give you a sense of gratitude, and that, having a sense of gratitude, helps you exercise patience easier. So many of you guys out there are actually YouTubers, and this is why I wanted to touch on this subject today as well, because there are going to be times you think you should deserve 1,000 subscribers and you only have 700 subscribers. Don't worry, it will come in due time. There was a time I was like, I need 1,000 subscribers now, I need this certain watch time now. There are people out there who are like this. I know there are some of you out there who are like this. So I'm here to remind you guys, just be a bit more patient. No good thing was built in a day. No great thing was built in a few weeks. Things take time. You've got to build, you've got to constantly build, stay consistent with it. And even if you think you're staying consistent, but you're not seeing results, don't worry again. Still exercise that patience that I talked about. Still be the one to sometimes sit back, wait, chill, take a deep breath, do some of the things I mentioned, get out and about. Just take some time to free up your mind. Provide yourself with that sense of happiness. And just like I said, in this day and age, especially in this day and age, it is very difficult to exercise patience. We seem to be in a culture where everything is now, now, now. I want this now, I want to succeed now, I need results now. That is not always the case. There are times we need to take a step back. There are times we need to realize all these things that you see, especially with social media in this day and age, they're not always what they seem to be. You have influencers, and some of these influencers, some of them are not even living the life that you want to live. You're rushing to live that kind of life. Some of them are not even living that life. They still have to wait for where they actually want to get to. So when you're thinking about, I need to get past this phase right now, I need to get past where I am right now, I need to move on to make next steps. Well, actually, even if you make next steps, doesn't guarantee that you're going to be happy. You need to remember that there might be even more steps than you didn't expect. There might be a lot more left along the journey that you didn't even know about. That is why we exercise patience. That is why we sometimes just say, hey, I'm going to get there in due time. Like I mentioned with YouTube, you'll get there in due time. If you keep putting in the work, if you really believe in yourself, if you're doing the right things, you'll get there in due time. There's no need to worry, no need to stress, no need to make yourself regret things. Don't regret decisions. Just exercise that patience, learn to find that patience within you, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. I'll tell you from my experiences, those times that I've learned to exercise patience, I realized either it was for the better or eventually I learned something. So that's a win-win situation. You need to remember that not everything you do has to be rushed. Not everything you do has to be now. Those results don't have to be now. You start a business and you're not seeing results in the first few weeks, you could be unhappy, you could get upset. There's no need to do that. You're not seeing great results on your YouTube channel, you decide to make a bad decision, decide to quit. No point doing that, because then you lost everything you worked for. Sometimes, in fact, more often than not, your patience is what helps you actually achieve your goals. Not your force, not your will or desire, you're pushing hard. It is that patience that you exercise that actually ends up making a difference. But not a lot of people do realize that. Another thing I'll tell you from my own experiences, it is much better to be patient and be a little bit less forceful than be extremely reactive. I know a lot of people who are reactive, and often what they do is they end up making a bad decision. They're impatient people naturally. So when they're in a moment, instead of being patient or just waiting a little bit, they're impatient, they make rash decisions, they make bad decisions, they end up regretting that or it just ruins the whole situation. Please don't be one of those people. I mean, it really doesn't help anything. Being someone who's rash, angry, who makes irrational decisions doesn't push you close to the goal or dream. It just stops you actually. It holds you back. It doesn't make anything more easy, it doesn't make life easier. Don't be impatient, don't be a rash person, don't be reactive, don't make irrational decisions. Like I said, you're not helping the cause. A lot of people think that they can do everything by force. Not everything is by force. Some things you need to relax, take a step back, chill, be calm about it. That's why I'm talking to you guys in a calm method today, calm way today, so you guys actually start to exercise patience. Most of you at least are not children, so you don't need to be impatient. There are maybe times when you were a kid where everything had to be now, you couldn't wait for things. You made silly decisions because you were a kid and you just acted irrationally. You're not at that age anymore. You're not at that level anymore. You're a lot older. So you need to learn to exercise patience, especially if you want to achieve your big goals, your big dreams, whatever you want to achieve in this life. I'm here to help you guys. My aim on this channel is to help you guys become better each and every day, more close to success each and every day, close to your financial freedom each and every day, learn more about yourself, learn more about whatever you want to achieve, be on the right path to achieving your goals, that kind of stuff. And to do that, one of the most important things you have to have is patience. People don't realize that, but it is patience. We can always say, go for it, go for your dreams, push hard, don't stop, be relentless. Yes, that is the case. But there are times where you need to take a step back, just to reconsider, just to think about things again and analyze the situation. And maybe you'll realize, hey, I just need to be a bit more patient. Hey, maybe I need to tweak something here. You might realize a lot more about yourself. Patience brings good things at all times, literally. I'm not saying don't do anything, don't make a move and not be proactive, but I'm saying do not be reactive. Do not make rash decisions. Do not just be in the moment and make wrong decisions, bad decisions, which completely mess up situations. That's not what you want to do. You want to be patient. So try to exercise patience this week and you'll see how much more of a positive outlook on life you have. Trust me when I say, just try it out first and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the fact that today is Monday. It's a new day, it's a new week. It's the last week of September. So anything you need to do, get it done. It's the last week of the quarter. So anything you need to do, get it done. Push for it. We have goals and dreams we want to achieve. We want to accomplish big things. We have big targets. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of patience. So as always, please make sure to check out those links in the description. We've got a lot going on there. We've got Time Your Watches, My Smart Watch Company. We've got free affiliate marketing for you guys. You can join and make some money with My Smart Watch Company. We've also got a free guide to online business, the first in the description. Add to that, there are 2 links in there. One is for Robinhood, free stock for you guys if you sign up through there. And one is for Coinbase, free Bitcoin if you sign up through there as well. So check those out. Tomorrow we'll be back here with another video. As always, give me the feedback and hopefully have a great week, everyone. That's today's video. I promise making. We've got patience to be excited. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.